Good morning, YouTube. This is Jerome North Preparedness and
me.
Yeah, me. My little bubby. Let's talk about feeding the masses. After a situation may occur, I think, in my opinion, and most of your guys' situations also, it is not your responsibility to feed the masses. It is not your responsibility to feed anybody but yourself, your family, your group, whatever that may be group. It is not your responsibility to feed anybody but them. This little guy here, it is my responsibility. Who is eating breakfast right now? What are you eating?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. He loves his Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It is not my responsibility. It is not anybody else's responsibility to, well, your groups, but it's my responsibility as a father to make sure this little guy gets fed. Besides, outside of my group, outside of my family, it is not the responsibility of mine or anybody else in my group to make sure those other people outside of that circle, whatever that circle may be, to make sure they get fed. And actually, I just ran into a guy over the weekend. He has a big circle. And it is, he has a lot of responsibility to make sure those guys get fed. And any situation may happen, you know. As a leader, you got to think about those types of things. You have to, you have a lot of responsibility for that, for organization. Leave it alone. For organization, for to make sure, you know, things run smoothly. It's a lot. So, you know, tell me your thoughts. Tell me your opinions. I'm gonna probably hit a couple other videos going around the subject. It's, in my opinion, I think having a safety is very important. And I've seen too much violence in my life. I've faced too much violence in my life. I can never see somebody get hurt, or that is not deserving of, or inflict pain on anybody else who has no reason to face it. Anything you want to say? Not yet. Okay. You just want to be in a video. That's fine. But this is probably on the start of a set of videos I'm going to do. Talking about community. Talking about grid down community. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but this is probably a set of videos that I'm going to talk about, because community is very important. We're going to have a meetup today. You're going to go meet some special people
At Little Roses
in Kentucky. Yeah, don't say any names though. Right? Alright. This is Jerome North Preparedness. Thanks for watching. Happy Sunday morning to everybody.